The apple. Apples are not just a delicious fruit. They offer numerous health benefits. Rich in dietary fiber, apples support digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and helping to prevent constipation. They are also packed with antioxidants, including vitamin C, which helps to boost the immune system and protect cells from damage. The polyphenol in apples can aid in reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease. Additionally, the natural sweetness of apples can satisfy your cravings for sugary snacks, making them a healthier choice for maintaining weight. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and feel free to share this video with your friends. See you in the next one. Including apples in your diet can contribute to overall wellness, making them a great addition to any balanced eating plan. Apples are not only tasty, but also incredibly beneficial for your health. They are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps to maintain regular bowel movements. This fiber, particularly soluble fiber like pectin, can also assist in lowering cholesterol levels. Apples are rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C, which supports your immune system and helps combat oxidative stress. The polyphenol found in apples have anti-inflammatory properties and can contribute to reducing the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and diabetes. Furthermore, apples have a high water content, which can help you stay hydrated. Their natural sweetness makes them a satisfying alternative to processed sugars, which can be beneficial for weight management. Including apples in your diet is a simple and delicious way to enhance your overall health and well-being.